Hi, I'm Sam with Simtech Corporation. Today I'm going to show you how to do a water pressure regulator replacement in your VFX1 coolant exchange system. The water pressure regulator comes from the factory with hose clamps attached to the hose. You'll have your hose clamps, your water pressure regulator. The tools you'll need is a box cutter, a pair of hose crimps or channel lock pliers, a pair of hose cutters, and a 5/16 inch wrench. On this disassembled pump, I will show you how to remove the hose. There's a small clip located on the bottom side of the hose. Simply press the clip down and pull out the quick disconnect from the pump. The water pressure regulator is located inside your VFX1. Simply lift the latch and then set the lid back. You're going to need paper towels or a shop towel, because once the clip is pressed down and you remove the quick disconnect, there will be some fluid displacement from the pump and the hose. Set the towels underneath the hose, press the clip down, and remove the quick disconnect. Once that is done, you will need your hose cutters. You will cut on the bottom side of the quick disconnect that came from the pump. Make sure you save this piece because you will need it to reattach the new regulator. On the opposite side of the regulator is a T. You will have to remove the hose here as well. The next step in the process is to remove the hose clamps from the T and from the quick disconnect. The hose clamps simply twist off and then you will need your box cutter to cut off the old hose. Repeat the same process on the quick disconnect. The hoses from the factory come with hose clamps already attached. You will note that there are two different size hoses. The shorter hose gets connected to the quick disconnect that goes back into the pump. Simply press that into the hose as far as it'll go, and using your 5/16 inch wrench, slide the hose clamp up and tighten around the barbed fitting. The longer piece of hose gets connected to the T fitting. Press this all the way up to the top of the T fitting. Move the hose clamp up and tighten down. The water pressure regulator has a small arrow on it. The arrow has to be pointed away from the pump when installed. Installation of the water pressure regulator is simple. Simply slide in the quick disconnect into the water pressure regulator and press down the blue clip. Press the opposite side into the pump and then press the clip up. And then on the opposite side, insert your quick disconnect and press the clip down. The job is now complete. This completes the replacement of the water pressure regulator and your VFX1 radiator coolant exchanger. The replacement in the VFX1 pre-2012 is similar to the same operation. There are 4 bolts on the top cabinet. Simply remove those and press the lid forward to replace the regulator. Thank you for using Simtech for all your fluid exchange needs. For technical support, please call 1. Screw that up and we can't go back there.
Nope.
Okay, we'll just have to cut that part out.
Yeah.